So I want to talk a little bit about integers. Now, integers are signed numbers, and that means negative numbers, positive numbers, also including 0. And in this video, I want to just show you how to graph an integer on a number line, and just number lines in general. So here we've got a number line, and you can kind of see that the marks are equally divided up. The spaces in between the marks look pretty much to be about the same. And now I can label these tick marks. I could have, I could start with, say, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and then 0, and then list all my positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Or I can mark my tick marks here, or label them using increments of numbers. For instance, I could do -20, -15, -10, -5, 0, 5, 10, 15, and so on. It could really be labeled any way that you would like, as long as it is that the increments have the same value throughout the whole number line. Okay, so the other thing that I wanted to mention is that the 0 does not have to be in the middle. Like we don't have to put the 0 here. Or the other thing is we could just have a number line that is all negative numbers or all positive numbers, and that would be fine too. The main thing is that you want to represent a range of numbers. You don't want to just have a number line with one tick mark on it representing the number that you intend to identify. So let's go ahead and draw another number line, and what we're going to do is find or locate -3. Okay, so here's a number line. Let me put some tick marks here, and I'm just kind of guesstimating where those lines should be. I'm going to go ahead and do -4, -3, -2, -1, and then 0. So I've got a range of numbers here. Now, to identify the -3, or to graph -3 on a number line, what we want to do is locate -3 on the number line, and sure enough, this is it. And we're just going to mark a dot on that line. Okay? And so you can see that number line represents -3 on the number line. If we wanted to do, say, a positive number, say 5, and you could write +5 with a plus sign in front of it if you wish, but you don't have to. Again, I'm going to just draw some tick marks, and I'll start with, let's see, I'll go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And so I can go ahead and identify 5 is right here, so I'm just going to draw a dot on that mark.